Hi there, this is blog 4 in my South Pole expedition series. I'm just out for a ski day, beautiful day out here on the hills. And today I want to talk a little bit about the wind in Antarctica. Antarctica is a very windy place. There's always a wind in Antarctica, and the question is just how strong is that wind? The winds in Antarctica are what are referred to as a katabatic wind. Now, katabatic wind is a gravity-fed wind, and what happens is that as the wind currents travel around our planet, they settle down onto the South Pole. The South Pole sits at just over 10,000 feet elevation, and as those winds then go down to sea level at zero, gravity is pulling them downhill, so it's a gravity-fed wind. So there's always a wind in Antarctica. We say that in Antarctica, to get to the South Pole, you don't really need a compass. You just need to ski into the wind, and you will eventually get there. So as I sit in the tent this morning, you can see the wind buffeting the tent. The walls are rocking with the wind outside, but it doesn't look too bad. But once you get out of the tent, we're hit by the full force of this wind. We have to dig our sleds out. They've been buried by drifting snow during the night. All our gear has been buried. We dig it out, and then we have to put on our skis and get ready to go. Not only does it make it more difficult to travel, but the really cold wind can be dangerous from a frostbite perspective, and something called polar thaw, which is also really dangerous. So it's all these different cold injuries. So anyways, I hope you enjoy the video, get a little bit of a feel for what it's like in Antarctica. Come back and check out the next one in 1 or 2 weeks. Have a great day. Good morning, it's day 10 here in Antarctica on our way to the South Pole. It's about 6:30 a.m. and we're just getting ready to start our day. We've had the stove going, hot water, and we've got our oatmeal right here. Started to get dressed and get clothing organized for today. As you can maybe hear, it's a pretty windy day out today. Looks like about 25 knot wind. Be hitting us diagonally all day today, so at least it's sunny and it's not snowing, so it should be pretty good. Hoping that the sastrugi will flatten out a little bit today so we can make a little bit better time. But at least we'll be able to see today, because yesterday was flat light. You couldn't see more than 5 feet in front of you, which made it for a very difficult and tiring day. So that's my update for today. Everybody's doing well, and we will get on the trail in about an hour and a half. Anything to say, Paul? Any breakfast there?
I love oatmeal.
Yeah, gotta love oatmeal. See you later. Bye.